Hey everybody, how's it going today? Well, the rain finally quit coming down here in Tennessee, and it is a beautiful day just after Memorial Day. But we wanted to get our flagpole in ahead of time, but we wasn't able to because of all the rain. And that nice old rock out there, we're gonna go ahead and put the flagpole in, and we got a flagpole from Titan Flagpoles made in the United States, and we're gonna go ahead and get that in. We got the instructions. We got to dig a 14-inch hole wide and 28 deep, and I'll go over the instructions and what all we got to do, mix up some cement and stuff like that. But we're excited about having a flagpole down here at the house, flying Old Glory, and getting it put up. So if you're interested, and if this thing is a solid, it's a telescoping flagpole, so kind of excited about that. 3 of the neighbors down here, they also have the same type, so that's why we went ahead with a telescoping one. You can get, I think, 15, 20, and 25 foot. We got a 25 footer. So we're going to go ahead and get some tools around and get this flagpole up and get Old Glory flying here in a couple days. Oh, hummingbird scared me. So anyway, let's get this thing going. So here it is. It actually comes shipped UPS. Isn't that great? Has a sleeve in it. Comes with American flag. The sleeve is what we'll put in the bottom. Has a top, has a bolt that goes through it. This will sit in, and then the pole just basically sits in it and telescopes up. So it got a cap for it, but it looks very solid built. And so what we're thinking is I'll probably put the flagpole on the back side of the rock and extend it up, so it should look nice. And when you're coming down the road, and the road comes in through the trees over there, and so when you come in, you'll be able to see Old Glory flying right from here. And like I say, I got a little low spot in the lawn. You can see we still got water right there, and so I want to level that out a little bit, so that's why I'll screen that dirt and replace that. So let's go ahead and dig a hole. One more. So we got our hole at 28 inches. Actually, I went a little deeper, 29, but no big deal. So it says the fillet, about how many inches?
6.
About 6 inches. And then push the pipe in the gravel a little bit. And then that way any rain that happens run down that sleeve will about to drain out. And so we'll put some stone in the bottom of this hole and see how that goes. Okay, so we got the tube in there, and they want it 1 inch above ground level. So, and the reason being, the pole goes in, you don't want water running in there. So we're 1.5 inches or so, 1.25 inches, which is fine. So what we'll do is put the cement in it, and then level this up. So. All right. Looks good. Okay, I don't know, that didn't take us less than an hour. I mean, it's pretty easy digging here. We only found 2 rocks. And so we got it. It took 3 bags of Quickcrete, and actually instructions say you can put the flagpole in tomorrow, but I don't know if we'll do that tomorrow or maybe tomorrow evening. I don't know, but it's all leveled up, and tomorrow we'll work on the flagpole. So let's see how that goes. So we'll go ahead and put the solar light on along with the ball. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get it all landscaped down below with the, some of the rocks, and Brenda will plant some flowers and stuff like that. So probably a shrub, quilt block. She's gonna put a quilt block out there by it as well. So anyway, I think it looks good. All in all, I would say this was a very easy process. I would highly recommend the Titan flagpole. I'll leave information in down in the remarks and stuff, description. They don't pay us nothing or anything, but it looks fantastic. Like I say, very easy. The pole goes up, and once you're up the one section, you just turn it to the right and it locks in. Push the next section up, turn it to the left, it locks in. So there was 4 sections. So other than that, I think it looks good. And hey, we appreciate you guys watching our channel. If you want to subscribe, leave any comments. But I'd say this was a success. It looks great. Seems nice to have the American flag flying here with the Tennessee state flag underneath it. So, hey, until the next video, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.